Rolling.
Alright, take this part out. Like I said, I'm just going to use my screwdriver. Probably there's a tool for this, but I don't have it. It's my truck, so I'm not worried about it too much. I'm just going to try to get under here without scratching it. Try to find a corner or something. There we go. I got under there without scratching it. Pop it up. Ooh, that's tight. There we go. And mine, the other side kind of broke a little bit. A couple of the clips broke, so I just siliconed them. I put silicone on the clips and put it back in with silicone. So my other side over there went into the other side. There we go. Probably should find some plastic tool, huh?
I don't know, that seems to work pretty well.
Yeah, but I don't want to scratch the paint on the outside where it's visible. It was already got scratches, but yeah, you don't want to make it worse. There we go. It's not too bad. Yeah, a couple of the clips broke. So what I'll do is I'll just put silicone around here, a big bead of silicone, when I put it back together, and it'll hold it in. That's what I do the other side. Alright, take this out. We need, is it the T20? The T20. And I'm also going to rekey this. I'm going to rekey this door because this key is worn slap out. And let me show rekeying it. Let's go ahead and change the key, the lock. There's a clip on the back side. Once you pop this outer cover, you just drop this clip down and this whole piece comes out as one. And you can put the new one in. I got another lock set to replace the locks on my doors because they're so old and worn out. It's hard to get them open. That's another reason why I'm taking this all apart. It's part number 360-670-8 Charlie 94. 360-670-8 C94. Lock kit. I guess it comes with a random key. I don't know, all the locks for the whole truck. So I'm gonna go ahead and replace this. I already replaced the one on the other side. I gotta do those two in the back and all that too. But just get right here on the bottom. It's kind of hard to see here. Get right here on the bottom, this metal clip. You got it?
I think so.
Yeah, metal clip, and then I like to get in the top of the clip and pull outwards on a little bit so it doesn't stress it as much. And just sort of work it on both sides, down and out. But you take this clip out and you can get the lock off. There we go. It's kind of a pain to get out sometimes. There we go. There. That's the clip. And then this lock should come out of here.
Rolling.
I guess mine's stuck in there. It won't come out. I was told it could come out through the front. I've pried on it. But mine is stuck. The key is, this thing is stuck in there because it's so old, I guess. I don't know. I'm going to stick a screw in here. And chalk this one up as a fail for being able to get it apart without taking the door apart, because you get stuck like mine, you're gonna have to come from the back side.
Yep.
Since I do have my door apart, I'm gonna go ahead and show it back here. Since I can't get to, it won't come out from the front, it's stuck. This is the back side of the lock. That centerpiece here is what's got it. It's just jammed. I'm gonna go ahead and smack that with a screwdriver, and that's why it wouldn't come out.
Rolling.
All right. This piece here has to come off, and this piece way down here has to come off. Now, this piece on the bottom, once the lock is out, you can push this through. You can just do this and push it out. See that?
Mm-hmm.
So I'm going to go ahead and take that screw that I left in there with my fingers. There we go. Use these screws. There we go. Pull this thing out. Gotta be careful not to break that plastic ring. There we go. And for the top, you can just, I'm gonna just turn it around until it comes out. There we go. Come on out. There. The bottom, this bottom piece just slides in and out of here. You see this?
Mm-hmm.
Just slides in and out of here. That's how I got it out. I just slid it out. And the top piece, I just spun it around until it came out. And that's this one here, a little short one. One of the things that wears out, this is what part of what was getting my door, why it was hard to turn the key when I turned the key. It's actually this piece right here. Because mine's really old, there's quite a little bit of play in this. Like back and forth play instead of just up and down. And that little dimple right there kind of gets stuck. In other words, when you're putting pressure on it, it's putting pressure this way. And it's actually pulling that dimple into that groove. There's a groove right here. You see that groove? Mm-hmm. It kind of pulls that dimple into that groove and it kind of jams. You can feel it wanting to jam. When you go the other way though, it pulls this way on it and it uses this catch right here so it doesn't jam that way. It tries to jam that way sometimes. So what I did on the other side is I took this out. And probably could buy another one of these, but that one's just fine. I took this out and I actually put I grabbed it here with the pliers and I put a slight upwards bend in it. Not a lot because you guys still got to get it underneath in that slot. I put a little bit of a bend in it and it stopped it on the other side. So I'm going to do that on this side. Cut.
Rolling.
Alright, so I grabbed it here past the ring part and I'm going to hang on to it nice and tight and straight. Right there, I'm going to give it a little bit of a upward bend. Just a little bit. There. It's pretty soft. So now it has just a little bit of a curve in it. Not much. You see that? Mm-hmm. Just a little bit of a curve right there at the end on that tab. And that stopped it from jamming, or from being hard to turn the one way on mine, other side. We'll just do the same thing over here. And it's still not enough you have to worry about it when you put it in because it'll still go in. It's just a little tighter. So that's what I did on that. And I put it back on. But yeah, I'll go ahead and put this back on. There we go. Now I can take the door actual hinge off because that's the only thing left. The outer piece. You want to show this on the camera? Mm-hmm. Cut.